What's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm a new creator to this, but I've been watching YouTube for plenty of years, and I figured why not start a channel so I can help people out. I learned a lot from YouTube. Things like building a chicken coop, working on cars. I even found my belief system that I believe in right now on YouTube. So I just want to help people the same way I was helped by people who decided to post videos on YouTube too. The things you'll find on this channel will vary from cooking to wrenching, from gardening to vlogging, from hammering to cleaning. There's a lot of things that I'm interested in and a lot of things that I can do, but I have mastered nothing. So the things that you'll see on this channel won't be perfect, but I do try, and I just want to show people that if you try also, you can do it too. It just takes the will to do it. That's it. So the type of videos you'll see here will be cooking, automotive, gardening, home improvement, maybe a couple vlogs here and there. For cooking, I got a couple smokers, I got a couple grills, I got a griddle, and I love to cook. So there'll be some nice recipes coming soon. As far as automotive goes, I recently picked up the hobby of wrenching on my own vehicles. So me and my family, we got 5 vehicles, and there's always something wrong with them. As far as gardening go, this is something that is really needed today. With the prices skyrocketing and the quality of food going down, gardening is essential. I used to have a full-blown garden a couple years ago, and I plan on getting back to it. Maybe we can learn together on how to grow our own gardens and feed our own families. Just like automobiles, there's always something going wrong in the house. So as things go wrong, you know, I'm gonna fix them. There's always something needs to be replaced, fixed, cleaned, installed, assembled, or even disassembled. If I'm not being too lazy, I usually consider myself pretty handy. So when the toilet breaks or the blinds need to be replaced, it's gonna be a video for that. I'm not a Michelin star chef, a ASE certified mechanic, a master gardener, electrician, a carpenter, a plumber. I'm not none of those. I'm not Tim Allen, you know, home improvement. I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but guess what? I am gonna try. Heck, I'm not even a creator or an influencer, but I'm gonna try if it means helping one person. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all like my content, and I pray that you subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching.